combo. Fish combo. Cool salt drink. Fish combo. Crispy French fries. Fish combo. With the fish sandwich. Hot and crispy outside. Moist and flaky inside. With tartar sauce and cheese. It's complete. Filet. Fish combo. Fish combo.
On April 18th, something remarkable is going to happen. All the brands you want will come to the store you've trusted for years. General Electric, Whirlpool, Sony, RCA, all your favorite brands, all at the right prices, all backed by America's largest retail service organization, and satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. And it's all going to happen under one very familiar roof. Brand Central at Sears opens April 18th.
I simply love new clothes. I simply love to spend money.
It's the brand, and the prices, and the savings.
The more I spend, the more I save. At Simply Fit. It simply makes me feel good. Because I can simply get more.
You don't plan it, you simply do it.
This is the sale. Bentley's Red X sale. Window stickers on all Bentley, Pontiacs, and Mitsubishis have been X'd out. Grand Am. $98.90, $219 a month. Grand Prix. $12,990, $287 a month. Mitsubishi Galant. Now $11,425, $2,000 back on Grand Prix and Grand Am. Save up to $2,700 on transport. Hurry to the Red X sale at Bentley, Pontiac, Mitsubishi, Huntsville.
Tattoo that weather forecast for you.
No more tattoo jokes. We're back on the air, please, Bob. Let's take a quick look, though, at the 5-day forecast before Bob figures out another one of those jokes. And as you can see, some rain tomorrow and some early clearing on Easter Sunday. Temperatures near 70, and then possibly by Wednesday, getting up to the 80-degree mark. So it should be a pretty nice week once we get through the next 24 hours or so.
Get back into summer again.
Yeah, thank goodness.
Thanks a lot. And finally tonight, imagine having a son named Rambo. It seems like a man in Brazil did. You see, he's such a fan, he wanted to name his son Rambo. But a judge says no because of Brazilian law against giving children exotic names that might cause them embarrassment one day. So after 5 months, the baby boy still has no name. The child's mother suggested Sylvester Stallone as a compromise. However, the Brazilian law also bans the registration of foreign names. So it looks like a rocky situation for the judge drawing first blood. Well, that's 31 Eyewitness News tonight. Thanks for joining us. This weekend, join Amy Whitty and Tim Hall for the Eyewitness News Weekend Report. And for all of us here at Channel 31, we'd like to wish all of you a very special Easter. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.
Slipped the surly bonds of earth and danced the sky on laughter's silvered wing. Someward I'd climb and join the tumbling mirth of sun-split clouds and done 100 things you have not dreamed of. Wheeled and soared and swung high in the shouting wind along, and flung my eager craft through footless halls of air. Up the long, delirious, burning blue, I've topped the windswept heights with easy grace, where never lark nor even eagle flew. And while with silent, lifting mind, I've trod the high, untrespassed sanctity of space, put out my hand, and touched the face of God.
At this time, WAAY-TV completes another day of broadcasting. WAAY-TV is owned and operated by the Rocket City Television Corporation, operating on Channel 31, under authorization of the Federal Communications Commission in Washington, D.C. With studios and transmitter located atop Montesano, WAAY broadcasts daily with 1,230,000 watts of visual power and 123,000 watts of audio power. WAAY-TV is affiliated with the ABC television network, serving Huntsville and the Tennessee Valley with the best in network and local programming. If you have comments or suggestions concerning our programs, our address is WAAY-TV, 1000 Montesano Boulevard, Huntsville, Alabama, 35801. WAAY-TV will return to the air later this morning. Thank you for watching us today, and we hope you'll join us tomorrow. Until then, good night and good morning.